Alright, Cube Nation, this is the Big Cube, and I've got something really exciting for you today. We just got 5 new cubes in from the Speed Cube shop, and we're going to unbox them for you today. Alright, so our first one here is the DianSheng 2x2. It's my first 2x2 cube, but I've used the brand before. This is a magnetic one. It's got a cool little stand that comes with it. Maybe not that useful, but it's good. Magnetic. Ooh, it's a little tight. I would give it, for controllability, maybe a 4 out of 5. For ease of use, maybe a 3 out of 5. And for width, I'd give it a 2. Next up, we've got the Thunderclap. This one's stickerless. It comes with a black base too. Cool name, the Thunderclap, right? I hope it's not too loud. Alright, so this one, as I'm getting the plastic open, it does have some cube lube on it. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, that could work. The colors look a little bit different too. The orange or the yellow is a little bit less neon, and the green is actually like a little bit more of like a pea soup green or a wasabi. So I'd give it, for like the color looking like wasabi, I'd probably give it a 5 out of 5. Controllability and ease, both 4 out of 5. It's a good cube. Now my hands are all greasy. I'm gonna have to wipe that off. Alright, in this other big box, I've got the Black Mamba. Another pretty cool name for a speed cube. This one's really stuck in the box here. How do I get that out? Oh. Okay, figured it out. Got it out of the box. So none of them have come with like a tool set or anything like that. One thing that's kind of interesting is that you can see this little white ring behind the center square on each side that you don't usually see. Well, it's got good motion. Well, it's a little bit, you can see it's a little loose right out of the box, but hopefully, yeah, it looks like the center cubes come off, or the center tiles come off. To make some adjustments, yeah. Ooh, that's a tiny little screw. I'll be able to adjust that, maybe tighten it up just a little bit. Otherwise, it feels good. And it's got a really cool name, the Black Mamba. Here we've got another DianSheng. This one's a 3x3. This is solar. This one I bought because my favorite cube that I have right now is the same. I think it might be a slightly different model, but it's magnetic, it's the same brand. And I really like the feel of it. We got this cool box. Wow. And then it's got extra center tiles. Ooh, it's a really dark color too. All those colors are really saturated. That's really, really cool. Good control. Good, good smoothness. It could be a little bit smoother. Nothing that a little bit of silicone we wouldn't fix. And under here I've got, yeah, it sounds like some new customization kits. Nice short and squatty screwdriver, some springs, some bolts, a little stand. We also got these center tiles. Why? Why do I need those? In slightly different shape. Yeah, there's like hollow space on the outside of them. That's interesting. I don't know what that's for, but I'm excited to learn. And last but not least, this one's 3x3. Oh, interesting little tool. That box is just for the adjustment tool. Plastic wrapped also, so it's probably got a little lubricant on it. Good magnets. Really a matte finish. It doesn't look exactly, it's got that the substance on it, but oh, I like that one. I like the feel of that a lot. Magnets aren't too strong, so they definitely don't impede movement. I'd probably give the magnetic strength a 5, not in strength, but in comfort. I give the smoothness a 3 out of 5, and I would say the width of this would also be a 3. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll post more videos when we get more shipments. Thank you.